Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mr. A.M. Please, if this is the first time you cross this channel, I would like you to subscribe for more lessons. So let's see what we have right now. 7 minus 3 bracket 7 minus 3. Answer is not 16. So what you're going to do when you have such a question like this, and therefore you have a command said answer is not 16. So first, let's see how answer became 16. So this is what most people get, and that is totally wrong. So when you have here 7 minus 3, they first subtract. So 7 minus 3, which is going to give you 4, right? Then they put bracket again, and then they subtract what is inside bracket. So when you have 7 minus 3, it's also is going to give you 4. So 4 times 4, which is going to give you 16. But this answer is not correct. So how are we going to prove that it is not correct? Let's apply the rule BODMAS. So we have here BODMAS, which is BODMAS. B here equivalent, or B here is bracket. Then we have here O is off. It's just a normal word. Therefore, we have D, which is division. We have M, which is multiplication. A, which is addition. And S is subtraction. So this is the word BODMAS mean. So let's apply the rule BODMAS. So let's rewrite the question. We have 7 minus 3, and then bracket 7 minus 3. We close bracket. So right now what we're going to do is to see the first letter here is B, and B is bracket. So meaning we have to write 7 as it is, and minus 3 also as it is. Then we put our bracket, and then we subtract what is inside bracket. So 7 minus 3 is 4, right? Then we close bracket. Then we come for the second word, which is off. We have nothing like that. D, we have no division. Then we have M, which is multiplication. Here we have multiplication. When we have bracket here, meaning here is multiplication, so we have to write 7 as it is. Therefore, we have to put minus, no problem. Therefore, we have here 3 times 4, which is going to give us 12, right? Then we have here 7 minus 12. So the answer is negative 5. This is the correct answer. So the answer is not 16. Always follow rule BODMAS. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.